All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about gradient. So let's go down here again to the little half dark, half white circle here and click on, not that one, I'm going to delete that. Yep, let's delete it. Let's click on gradient. So what you can do here is you can do a couple things. They have a whole bunch of gradients here as templates. We can also click on this little wheel and we can go to like spectrums. We can append that. We can go back here and we can do photographic toning. We can append that. So you can go through all these different gradients to get the effect that you're trying to get, whether it's for a background or foreground, whatever you're trying to do. I like that one. Okay, so then we can adjust the angle. We can reverse. You can scale it 100%. Okay, it's going to move the colors around based on your scaling. You can also use the scroller here, or your keyboard, the down key or the up key. I'll reset alignment. So let's set it back to 100. And I'm going to set this angle back to 0. Okay. And if I double click on it, we can do radial, angle, reflected, or diamond. Okay, so I'll do linear, and I'll turn off reverse. And then if I move this to 90 degrees, let's put 90 in there. Okay, then you have what you need. And then you can add dither in there if you want. Align with layer, you don't have to. I'll hit OK. And that is really the gradient for fill and adjustment layers. Okay. I'm going to delete color balance because I don't know why that's there. I'm going to hit File, Save, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.